So my purpose to tell you all this is this, that until and unless you will not have the courage to go deep down into your pain, into your trauma, into the deep seated pain where the child in you felt rejected. Because for the child, understand this from the perspective of the child, because now you are an adult, you think like an adult. But in order to release this pattern, you have to understand this and feel it, not just understand from here. Feel it in your heart, in your body, from the perspective of a child, the child in you. Imagine there is a child sitting in front of you. This child cannot do anything by herself. Cannot drink the water, cannot go to the loo, cannot wear the clothes, cannot eat, cannot buy anything, cannot go anywhere, cannot talk to anyone, cannot step out of the house, cannot meet anyone, this child cannot do anything. This child is totally dependent on the parents. So this child is totally dependent on you. Imagine it. Now you are telling this child, there is this another child in front of you. You are praising this child more in front of this child. That I love your clothes, I like the way you sit, I like the way you eat, I like the way you talk, I like the way you take care of yourself, I like the way you are smart, I like the way you understand things, blah blah blah, all these things you are doing, and you are comparing this child with this child. And think from the perspective of a child. Now what this child will feel, that okay, then maybe I have to wear the clothes like this child, I have to sit like this child, I have to eat like this child, I have to behave like this child, I have to be like this child. This child is better than me, this child is receiving more than me, because I am not like this child. Okay, I am not safe, because I'm gonna lose all these things. I'm gonna lose the affection, attention, praise, love. Deep down is safety, that this child is more safe. This child is receiving all these things.